Unleash your creativity and elevate your home decor with these inspiring ideas for crafting captivating elements using ordinary wood. Embark on a delightful journey of do-it-yourself DIY projects that are not only easy but also bring a touch of fun to your living space. Dive into the world of innovation as you transform spare wood scraps into chic and stylish home decorations, adding a modern flair to your surroundings. Repurposing old wood pieces has never been more exciting as you embark on a budget-friendly adventure to revitalize your home. These DIY projects offer a perfect blend of simplicity and affordability, allowing you to create eye-catching decor effortlessly within the comfort of your own home. Whether you're aiming to save money or seeking to infuse a personal touch into your living space, these projects provide a fantastic opportunity to leave your mark on your home. Choose from a variety of quick, easy, and impactful DIY ideas that promise a refreshing change without the daunting time commitment. Enhance your crafting skills and establish a modern hallmark within your living space. Experiment with creating unique coat hooks, imaginative bookshelves, stylish handrails, creative key holders, or any other contemporary decorations that resonate with your personal style. Embrace innovation and let your imagination run wild as you embark on a journey to redefine your home's aesthetic with these simple and inventive wood-based DIY projects. Transform your living space into a haven of modern elegance with these ingenious and budget-friendly ideas that showcase the beauty of repurposed wood. Wood, with its inherent charisma, possesses the remarkable ability to infuse any interior design with a natural charm, casting a warm and cozy ambience throughout the space. The versatility of this material is unparalleled, offering a spectrum of marvelous interior design ideas that range from rustic and vintage to the most modern and artistic of spaces. Wooden furniture, in particular, has the power to elevate a room, adding a touch of creativity, chic elegance, and sophistication. While the conventional use of wood is often associated with furniture like cabinets, beds, tables, and chairs, there is a contemporary shift towards embracing wood in unconventional ways. Wall art and creatively painted walls have emerged as the trendiest and newest avenues for utilizing wood as an exclusive and distinctive decor element. Innovative wooden interior ideas and designs are pushing the boundaries of traditional design norms, introducing elements that bring depth, texture, organic warmth, and definition to any space. These ideas go beyond the conventional applications of wood, transforming it into a dynamic medium for artistic expression within the home. Picture a living space adorned with intricately designed wooden wall art, each piece telling a unique story through its grain and texture. Imagine walls that aren't just painted, but are canvases for wooden masterpieces that redefine the very essence of the room. This modern approach to incorporating wood into interior design creates a visual and tactile experience, engaging the senses and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Whether it's a statement wall clad in reclaimed wood panels or a meticulously crafted wooden mural, the possibilities are as diverse as the patterns found in nature. These wooden interior design ideas not only pay homage to the material's natural beauty, but also introduce an element of sustainability, repurposing wood to breathe new life into interior spaces. The charm of wooden interiors lies not only in their visual appeal, but also in the tangible warmth they bring to a room. The texture of wood adds a comforting and inviting touch, turning any space into a haven of serenity. So, as you embark on your journey of interior design, consider the transformative power of wood, a material that transcends the ordinary, adding character, depth, and a timeless allure to your living spaces. Unlocking the world of custom wood finishes, a fusion of elegance and innovation. In the realm of interior design, the marriage of wood with other materials opens up a realm of possibilities. Picture this: wood benches or chairs that transcend the conventional, boasting stainless steel legs or armrests that introduce a modern and industrial flair. The beauty of this combination lies in its ability to marry the warmth and character of wood with the sleek, contemporary aesthetics of materials like stainless steel. Custom wood finishes are a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of modern design. They allow for the creation of furniture pieces that not only serve a functional purpose, but also become works of art, seamlessly blending different materials to craft unique and eye-catching pieces. Imagine a wooden bench that becomes a focal point in a room, its wooden seat telling a story with its grains and knots, while the stainless steel legs add an element of sophistication and modernity. This harmonious blend of contrasting materials creates a visual symphony, capturing the attention and admiration of anyone who enters the space. Wood, with its innate ability to age gracefully and acquire character over time, stands as a testament to the enduring allure of natural materials. In the realm of interior design, one of the most exceptional ways to harness this beauty is through the artful repurposing of old wood, giving rise to the captivating trend of reclaimed wood decor. The journey of transforming reclaimed wood into a stunning piece of furniture can be a rewarding endeavor, with the potential to breathe new life into your living space. A prime example is the creation of a beautiful dining table using reclaimed wood. If you happen to possess an old table frame, the process of crafting the top becomes remarkably straightforward. The true magic lies in witnessing the transformation of weathered wood into a focal point that exudes both history and artistry. To elevate the aesthetic appeal of your reclaimed wood masterpiece, consider the application of a luxurious Italian PU wood coating. Available in various finish types such as dead matte, rich matte, glossy, and semi-glossy, this coating not only enhances the visual allure, but also provides a protective layer, ensuring the longevity of your creation. It's a seamless union of vintage charm and contemporary sophistication. The versatility of reclaimed wood extends beyond elaborate decor endeavors. Even in a more minimalistic approach, the use of reclaimed wood can infuse a space with rustic elegance and character. Picture a statement wall adorned with carefully curated reclaimed wood panels, each telling a story of its own. This minimalistic yet stylish incorporation allows for a subtle nod to sustainability, while introducing an earthy warmth to the surroundings. Reclaimed wood, with its imperfections and history etched in every grain, brings authenticity to a space, making it more than just a setting. It becomes a narrative. Each knot and crack tells a story of the wood's journey, creating a connection between the past and the present. In a world where sustainability and conscious living are gaining prominence, reclaimed wood emerges as a champion. It not only reduces the demand for new timber, but also adds a unique touch to your home that mass-produced furniture simply cannot replicate. So, whether you embark on a grand project like crafting a dining table or opt for the understated elegance of minimalistic decor, reclaimed wood stands ready to transform your living space. Embrace the beauty of the age, repurposed and storied, and let reclaimed wood be the soulful element that defines the character of your home. The allure of custom wood finishes lies in their ability to cater to individual tastes and preferences. It's a canvas where designers and homeowners alike can experiment, combining wood with materials like metal, glass, or even concrete to produce one-of-a-kind pieces that defy conventional norms. Beyond the aesthetic appeal, the marriage of wood and other materials in custom finishes also brings about a harmonious balance of durability and style. Stainless steel, for example, not only complements the organic warmth of wood, but also adds a robust and contemporary touch, ensuring longevity and functionality. As you embark on the journey of designing your living space, consider the endless possibilities that custom wood finishes offer. Whether it's the juxtaposition of wood and metal, the fusion of wood and glass, or even the unexpected blend of wood and concrete, these combinations breathe life into furniture, turning them into statements of individuality and creativity. In the world of interior design, where self-expression and uniqueness are highly valued, custom wood finishes stand as a testament to the power of combining different materials to create functional art. Embrace the fusion of elegance and innovation, and let your furniture tell a story as unique as the materials it's crafted from.